To work a 2-stitch decrease, we will work still in pattern into the next 3 stitches. So 1 in the knit stitch, a reverse stitch, and another knit stitch. So work 1 Tunisian knit stitch, 1 Tunisian reverse stitch, and another Tunisian knit stitch. This decrease is worked on the return pass, so grab a locking stitch marker, place it through those 3 stitches. Now I will finish my row and then start working the return pass to show you how you decrease those stitches on the return pass. So now I need to slide my work to the other end of my hook and turn. Now I am going to start the return pass. And I'm going to work the return pass until I get to that stitch marker, and you will want to flip it to the side you are working, so it's flipped to the wrong side of my work so I can see it. So I'm working up until I get to the stitch marker. And now I need to yarn over and pull through all of the loops the stitch marker is holding. Now I'll finish my return pass and then work the forward pass of the next row up to that decrease. And since we're facing the wrong side of our work, we are working our stitches in reverse. And remove the stitch marker to get that out of your way. All right, now I am at the decrease, you can see here, and we need to work into the middle stitch of the decrease. So we need to work a reverse Tunisian knit stitch in through the middle of that decrease. And sorry, I'm struggling a little bit here. There we go. There's our Tunisian reverse stitch into that decrease. And now I'm just continuing in pattern with the rest of the forward pass of this row. And this is what your decrease will look like when you are facing the right side of your work.